2, 1. What's up, campers? Today, during arts and crafts time, we're not going to be making drums. Instead, we're going to be making music shakers using the materials on the table. Ranger Aaron is going to show you guys a sticker that you can earn today by doing this project and then sending it, a picture of it, or even a video of you using this project to us through Google Classroom. But we have several different materials we're going to be using. Ranger Aaron has got a paper towel roll. I have plastic cups, and Ranger Paul has
foam cups.
Foam cups, cool. Why don't we start with Ranger Paul, because he's already got a head start on his craft for today.
Okay, so basically what I did, I went and poked holes in all the sides, so it's about the same length apart for every single one. And I'm going to put these straws into every hole, so that way when I connect the two, whatever I put inside it will kind of be stopped, so it'll make a slower sound. So that's what I'm going to try to do. So that's what I did ahead of time, just poked holes in all of it. So it'll probably be easier to do with foam than it would with plastic or paper towel.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to close the top here like this with a paper towel roll, and then I'm going to get rid of the tape. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape it. And this is so the rice doesn't fall out whenever I place the rice inside of it. Tape. Put it across the top like that. Close the end together and fold the tape over. And that is going to give you a good seal so your rice stays inside of the paper towel roll. Now what you can do is you don't have to do this, but I'm going to snip off the extra tape.
He's a smart guy.
Clean, just give it clean.
Smart guy.
Alright, I guess you can tell me what you're doing.
And then, well, you're going to start filling yours.
I'm going to start filling mine up.
Perfect. Alright guys, so while these guys were explaining their craft, I went ahead and filled 2 different cups. Now, if you notice, alright, I didn't, I'll show you, I'll go walk to the camera. If you notice, I only put a few beans inside my cup. I didn't fill it all the way up or even halfway up. The reason why is because one, that's gonna make my shaker, my music shaker, really heavy, and 2, you're not gonna hear it. It's not gonna be as cool of a sound. Mine's probably the easiest out of these 3 here, or probably second easiest with the area. But I have 2 cups. These are plastic. I like plastic because it's gonna make like a louder rattle sound. Okay, so I have 1 cup here, and I have 2 cups. And what I'm gonna do is simply just gonna tape all the way around the middle of my cup, just like this. And there we go.
Now basically what I'm going ahead and doing is cutting off the longer parts of the straw so that it's just a little bit smaller when I go to use it as a shaker. So
if you have a funnel would probably be best to fill this up. I'm doing it by hand because it all depends on how you want the sound. What you can do is as you're filling it, you can cover the other side and start shaking it. Just kind of see if that's how you want it. I'm going to fill a little bit more in there.
And so now what I'm doing is I put
really cool.
about as much as Ranger Ethan in one of my foam cups, the one without the straws on it. So then I'm going to put the ones with the straws on it on top, and I'm just going to take some tape and wrap it around.
Alright, I think mine's good to go. So when I get the tape, I'm going to close the end up just like I did to start and tape it up.
Guys, you could start a band. We already made a water xylophone. Now we're making this. Oh, by the way, one of the things we're going to be making later on, we're going to show them how to make a guitar.
Whoa.
Oh, no
Like
way.
a homemade guitar. Yeah, so they're going to need lots of rubber bands and strings for that one, but it's going to be pretty cool. I'm excited about that one.
Yeah, band guy.
So by the end of watching all these videos, if you have enough people in your family, you could technically start a band.
Yeah.
Because you have a xylophone, a guitar, a music shaker. That's really all you need.
That's right. Yeah, you can even design this up if you want. Mine's done. Got both sides. You can mark up on it, decorate it if you want.
Yeah, we didn't even think about that, guys.
Yeah.
You could actually, honestly, when you're done with this craft and you really, really like it and you want to keep it, maybe use it for something else, you can actually go through and paint these things. You can put crafts. I mean, I could probably, if I really wanted to, I could turn this into like an animal face on one of these cups here. So lots of cool things you could do with just these little moving shakers.
Oh, that sounds nice.
So that's this is my rice shaker, and this is the one with beans. So that one's kind of louder. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear me. Happy birthday to me. It's not even my birthday. We got to sing that for me. All right, guys. I hope that you have some fun making these shakers. You guys can honestly try out different designs with it because there's so many different things you could do with this.
Yeah.
Raise your arm up. It looks like you're enjoying your.
I'm feeling it, bro.
Feeling it.
Ready for my ending?
I think we might make like we're probably gonna make a band after a day camp.
Oh, totally.
At the end of the summer, we'll probably make a band.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Sounds good. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today for the crafts video. Hope you enjoy it.